play with. So I reckon the fast bowlers for the Bandia Mir Dragons should be attacking and try and pick up wickets. Oh, what a start. The first ball on the up through the offside. A sublime cover drive brings up the boundary.
Takes the edge, flies over the gully region for 4. Not in control of the shot once again, getting a little bit of extra bounce. Swung away on the onside, straight to the fielder at deep square. Abdul Malik is out. After conceding a boundary, he takes a wicket, Salim.
That's just bad luck for Malik. Only 3 fielders in the leg side and he picks up the lone field at deep square leg. That sort of a day it has been to Sharks. Front foot check. I think he's fine. Abdul Malik can keep walking. And whatever Hashmatullah Shahid, the skipper of the Dragons, touches becomes gold. He sets the field for the batter. The bowler bowls a back of the length delivery. Batsman smashes it. He thought it's going to be a boundary. It's straight in the palms of the fielder at square leg. Malik gone for 8. Sharks 8 for 1.
Edge is found, going fine. Down to the third man boundary for 4. Width given and boundary. Gets it over the fielder and away to the fence for 4.
Getting on to the bat. Try and make the most of it. On the up. Hashmatullah Shahid had bit off. He gives up. And that's a Spagiza. The first one of the innings.
A powerful stroke. An outstanding stroke from Hassan Shakil. He trusts his ability to clear the boundary, clear the 30-yard circle. It cleared the boundary. Standing tall and smacking it over mid-off. An expansive stroke. Short boundaries. They always trust and the ball travels because of the high altitude here in Kabul.
The ball as soon as goes aerial, just like that, and goes the distance. This occasion, couple of bounces into the boundary, as intentions are pretty clear. That's to maximize. Can create enough doubt on the batsman's mind.
May not have timed it well, but he has enough wood onto it to take it to the boundary for 4. As he goes down the pitch, attempting a sweep. He has already started to celebrate. Ghaznfar has struck. Not a convincing stroke offered from Ashraf. He's gone. A predetermined stroke. He's taking his one end off, and look at the celebration from Mohammad Shahzad.
We have to get some dancing class tips from Mohammad Shahzad for that dance. That was excellent. Keeping the rhythm going, easy as it gets, and he gets the moves out. Brilliant.
دلته په کار ده تر څو ښه کرکټ وکړي عمران میر ټچ کې دی سني ساحل خلا کې دی څو بال نه ډېر ښه میډل کړل رن اوټ چانس ته ډایرکټ کټ دلته د عمران میر انینګس د پای ټکی خو دی شي خو همغږي نه و او خوښ نه دی دغه رننګ نه دواړه همغږي نه و تسل تاسو هم ښه راغلاست
مننه کور ودان ملت په زړه پورې لوبه دوام لري د دواړو لوبډلو ترمنځ خلیل ښه بالینګ ترسره کوي په 2 بالونو تر دې وخته کومه منډه نه ده ورکړې خو دغلته غټ شاټ او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر دی یوې غټې شپږیزې لپاره هېڅ یو فیلډر ته
حساني ساحل وړاندې هم د هغه له بیټ څخه څو شاټونه موږ ولیدل څو په زړه پورې شاټونه دا ځل وروسته پیچ کړل لوړ ساتلی او سټانس کې د حساني ساحل وګورو او لوړ پاتې شوی هماغه و چې د شاټ هغه طاقت هغه زور
وروستی بال ترسره کیږي دغلته بال د باونډرۍ په لور روان دی فیلډر د بال نیولو هڅه کوي او 4 منډې راځي تر وروستیو دغه بال تعقیب کړ غوښتل بال له باونډرۍ څخه راایساره کړي خو ونه توانېده او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د 4 منډو لپاره
لسم پړاو شپږیزه کرکټ لیګ کې د بندیا میر لوبډلې برخه دی ډېر ښه بهترینه کټ دی د حساني ساحل له لورې پاورفول یوه ستره میله او په زړه پورې وروستي دواړه توپونه یو څه کم پیس سره ترسره کړل او دا هغه ځانګړتیا ده چې غضنفر یې لري او کامیاب هم دی لومړی باور بیا کې 55 منډې جوړې کړې 2 لوبغاړي لاس ورکړي هم